picture it, brother?
Go faster.
This is how it looks from the front towards the back. This is how the glass ceiling looks like. It's kind of a moonroof, I would say. It's very smooth. It feels like a tank. It drives like a tank.
Yes.
And I really like the yoke wheel because
It's an oval shape.
yeah. Let's try to go somewhere. Oh. It's hard.
This car is it's slowly.
So pickup's solid as well. Pickup's really solid. Another hybrid truck's coming. We can show around as well how it looks. I guess it always stays here. Wow. This is different than my Model Y. Oh, this is not the front. This is actually the back because you can't see the back. So it shows you who's coming behind you. Okay. This is cool. So cool. And you can actually zoom out to get a larger picture. Regular 0.5x, 1.25x. See, someone's coming behind. So that's so cool. And I guess it has FSD. Let's try to press. Okay. So now it's on FSD. Let's see how it drives. That's so cool. So I'm not driving right now. Tesla's driving. My legs are here. You can see there's a car behind us and in the front. And it drives so far so good. And I think it's a Punjabi song coming on our radio. that's funny. Let me stop it so that YouTube doesn't mark it. Okay, so it's turning really nice. This I never tried before the yoke wheel, so I'm in oak wheel with the yoke wheel. It sounds good. Okay, so I guess it's going good, but I don't know where am I going. Okay, I also wanted to show you some cool feature which I never seen before. Is this one? If you go to the menu and let me. Yeah, so if you go to the menu and if you see in the controls, you see this one is the heights. So if you see, like, you know, you can do the low entry. Entry is where it's easier. When you park it, just come back to the entry. It's where the suspensions from goes up for the height. So it's basically for the height from the ground, for better driving, I believe it's for. And yeah, that's it. So let's try. So if we do the high, then you can see it's going, I don't know if you can see, but it's changing the label to the high. You can actually feel it. It's physical. And yeah, that should be it. And you can also save it for the location. So whenever you come here, it always goes high. I believe it's to the ground level, surface level, so that you can go off-roading and something doesn't hit the car itself. So rest is definitely good. We can definitely try opening like, you know, the back actually as a truck and see how that looks like. But other than that, car's very spacious. There's a space here. You can actually fit your whole backpack, whatnot. This is also a fast wireless charging, along with this trunk here. I wouldn't say trunk, but it's kind of a trunk. It's quite big. There's lighting throughout. I don't know if you can see, it's the red lighting. It's kind of ambient lighting. You can actually change it from the system to make it look as per your mood. There's a white Cybertruck here, logo, emblem, I guess. There's the same lighting over here at the back to get off. There's a screen in the middle. It's quite nice and almost feels like a tablet. 7-inch, I believe. You can your kids can or anybody who's at the back can check certain things. They can change the weather, whatever the temperatures, make it go up, high, low, things like that. They can control the music from here. They can adjust the seats, heating. They can play games. There are other settings for the brightness, and they can control the music or the volume from here. If you notice, but the doors is quite heavy, and it's solid, as it's known for. No, it's scratch resistant. I wouldn't think that anybody can scratch this. There's no color. It's the hard material. The doors are almost like a bulletproof, I believe. The glass are not bulletproof, but they are very strong. This is how it looks, a futuristic vehicle. You can control the back truck kind of a thing from here. You can make it go up all the way, or you can stop it in between any time. It has a quite nice LED lights here, which I believe you can change. I think so, I'm not sure. It's quite a big truck, I would say. It's quite heavy, quite sturdy material. And you can click on this one to close it halfway or full. I don't know what this is about, and I don't know what this button will do. Let's check. Oops, okay, I see. So that is good to know. So to open the back panel, to load something up, this is how it looks. I really also like the wheels, futuristic look. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that this is the ground or the lowest level of the suspension. Now you can see I'm gonna make it high. It's inside, from inside you can control it. Alright, let's try to do the entry level. This is at the fullest right now. I don't know if you can see. The whole car went down from from the back to front, both four wheels. Let's try to go up. I think it's doing the back one first. I don't know if you can hear it. It's doing something, and then it's slowly going up. So this is how it changes the things. At the back, this is not electronic. You have to manually close it, and if you want to open it, you just press this one to open it. Other than that, I believe this one, yeah, so you can charge your normal outlet, and this is 220/240 watt plugs out there, so I believe it can literally charge your whole house. If there's a situation of a power outage or something, you can do your generator from here, I believe. That's why it is for. Other than that, it's quite big. Okay, so I think it's done. We are almost done with our demo vehicle, with our test drive. So we're gonna go back to Tesla Oakville. So let's try FSD and see how it goes for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna start with this button. You can start the FSD. It's gonna do its own thing, and let's see if it moves. Okay, you can see how it goes on the road as well. It's quite good. It's changing its lanes. I really like this idea where it keeps showing you the back, because I believe the mirror in the middle doesn't make sense, because you can't see the actual back. If you can see my cameraman, if she shows you how it looks. So yeah, that's pretty much very useful. It's your back view mirror given here is in camera, so I really liked it. Other than that, it's pretty normal Tesla, I believe. So I believe this was it, guys. This was my test drive with Tesla Cybertruck, and I would say I really like the main thing compared to my Model Y versus this one is the yoke wheel. Other than that, I really enjoyed how smooth it runs, even though it's very heavy. And yeah, I wish I can buy it, but it's very expensive. I hope I can get it one day. So cheers.